learned about building a strong team is when you're building a team, you have to know who is an asset, who isn't an asset, who you can depend on, who you can't depend on. And then you realize your strong points. And now you're able to initiate a great plan and a great strategy to get to where you want to get to. But you have to discern who you gonna have do what. And see, in this race of winning souls and helping people and doing business, you got to know who you sending into the fight. You can't just send anybody in there. Truly they might have some good intentions. And don't get me wrong, a lot of my white brothers, man, that well throughout the U.S., they have some good intentions, but they can't reach everybody. And see, that's why we have a team of mixed people. That's why God made us all different, because there's someone who can reach that person. I might not can't reach him. You might not can't reach him. And then here comes so-and-so come over here and reach him. That's the game, man. So don't be narrow-minded or small-minded and thinking that you can conquer everything. Realize that, hey, I can't do this. You're going to have to do this one, but I got your back. That's how you get your hog on and build a great, strong team.